Now I am explaining the 5 marks important topic, that is wants. Children, our motives and our desires are called as wants. And wants, what means are the basis of all the economic activities. I think you know about that is meaning of economic activity. Economic activities means either earning money or spending money is considered as economic activity. We children, to satisfy our wants, we are engaging in the production process, that is either in the agriculture or in the industrial sector or in the service sector. Okay, and earning the money. After getting the money, we are spending the money, that is to purchase goods and services. To satisfy our wants, we are earning money and spending money. So it means that is the reason wants are the basis for all economic activities. If there are no wants to the human beings, there is no need of the production activity also. Okay, because of our endless wants, there is a need of the production activity. Okay, so hence wants are the basis for all the economic activities in the economy. So economic activity means either earning or spending money is called the economic activity. And also wants differ means based on the economic and social status of the person, wants differs. For example, children, rich people are willing to purchase a car and diamond necklace. Like that, their wants, they are always looking for the luxuries. What about a poor person? What about a beggar? He thought that how to satisfy his hunger on that day. Okay, so like that, wants depends upon our social and economic status. Okay, so middle class people, poor people thought that how to satisfy their basic needs, but always rich people are willing to purchase the luxurious, super luxurious goods which are expensive one to show their prestige in the society. Okay, like that. So depending upon the, that is wants depends upon the economic and social status of a person. And now we are studying the characteristics of the wants. What are the features of the wants and what are the characteristics of the wants? First characteristic is wants are unlimited wants. Yes children, our wants are unlimited, endless. Human beings are having the bundle of desires, bundle of motives. Okay, if we are satisfying one, another will crops up. Now we are willing to eat paradise biryani. Yes. After eating the paradise biryani, you are not having any wants. No, another want arise. Okay, so it means the bundle of desires, one is chasing the other. Okay, there is no end to the human wants. Next one, a particular want is satiable. Okay guys, already you know the fact that is wants are endless, but resources which we are using to satisfy our wants are very limited to their extent. So that is the reason it is not possible to us to satisfy all of our wants. Okay, we are able to satisfy a few of our wants only due to scarcity of the resources. So here all wants, satisfaction of all wants is not possible, but at a particular time it is possible to us to satisfy a particular want, that is satisfying our hunger by eating the food items and satisfying our, that is whenever you are thirsty, drinking water, you are satisfying a particular want, like that. And if you are willing to purchase a TV, yes, you are able to purchase a TV at a particular time, but remaining wants we have to sacrifice. Why? Because money is a scarce resource. For example, you are willing to purchase a TV, bike, car and so many things. At the same time, buying all the things is not possible. Satisfying all the wants is not possible. But you are able to satisfy a single want. So that is the reason a particular want is satiable by the human beings. Next one, wants are means competition. Yes, due to scarcity of the resources, wants compete with each other. Okay, so among all of wants, we are choosing our most important want for the immediate satisfaction, is called the choice problem. So due to scarcity of resources, it is highly impossible to us to satisfy all of our wants. That is the reason among all of our wants, we are choosing the most important want for the immediate satisfaction. So this is called wants are competing with each other for the immediate satisfaction. For example, with you only you are having 2000 rupees. So by using the 2000 rupees, you are willing to purchase a small phone, and willing to purchase a college bag, and willing to purchase shoes also, willing to purchase books also. But immediately, suddenly, your grandfather fell down, so because of high BP, so you have to purchase the tablets to him. Okay, so by sacrificing all the wants of you, now you are purchasing medicines to your grandfather. So it means among all of your wants, which is the most important one that is satisfied by the human beings. So that is called wants are competing with each other for the satisfaction. So that is the reason, that is due to scarcity of resources and unlimited wants, choice problem arises. Among all of our wants, whenever we are choosing the important want for the immediate satisfaction, that is nothing but economic problem or choice problem. Means we are making choice, we are choosing a particular want for immediate satisfaction is called the choice problem. And next one, complementary. Complementary means to satisfy a single want, if we are in need of more than one good, so they are the complementary goods. For example, to write on the board, I am in need of marker, board and duster also. So these are the complementary goods. Means to satisfy a single want, whenever we are in need of more than one commodity, at that time wants are said that wants are complementary. Okay, to have a cup of tea also, we are in need of tea powder, sugar, milk, etc. Okay, and to wear a shoe, we are in need of the socks also. Okay, to roam around the roadside on your bike, you are in need of the fuel and bike also. So these are all the complementary goods. So whenever a satisfaction of a single want is in need of more than one commodity, it is said that wants are complementary. The next one, wants are substitution. Means children, some goods will give same level of satisfaction. So for example, if you are feeling hunger at that time, by eating snacks or by eating fruits or by drinking milk or by eating rice, anything by choosing anything, you are able to satisfy your hunger. So that is called, means so many ways are there to satisfy a single want. All will give the same level of satisfaction. So that is called wants are substitution. For example, to go to the Bangalore, 3 ways are there. Roadway, that is on bus, and railways and airways. Okay, these are the substitutes. You will choose the way which is convenient to you. Okay, so in this way, to satisfy single want, so many ways are there. So we will choose the way that is which is convenient to us. Okay. The next one, wants recur. Means whenever wants appears again and again, then that is said that wants recur. Some of the wants in our life will appear again and again. If we are satisfying once, and also they will appear again and again. For example, eating food. Eating food, morning we will eat the breakfast and again it appears again and again. Afternoon we are eating lunch and night dinner, like that. Daily 3 to 4 times we will consume the food. And sleeping also. Regularly, some people will sleep 2 times in a day, some will 3 times in a day, some will 1 time, like that. That is, eating and sleeping are the wants which appears again and again in our life. So it is said that wants recur, means appears again and again. And next one, habits. As children, if we are doing the same thing regularly, it will become into the habit. For example, daily we are reading the newspaper, we are habituated to read the newspaper. Means wants, if you are satisfying a want regularly, after a few days of time, you are habituated to do that. It will become a habit which can't be rid of easily. For example, smoking cigarette also like that. People will smoke. Not seriously, but whenever they are smoking the cigarette regularly, after a few days, they are habituated to smoke the cigarette. Without smoking cigarette, they can't live. Means they are in need of cigarette. Okay, and tea also. Some are habituated to drink the tea regularly. Okay, if we are satisfying the same want regularly, so we are habituated to that, it will become habit. Okay. Next one, wants vary with time, place and person. Definitely children, wants will differ from place to place, time to time and person to person also. Place to place means in cold countries they will choose the things means which satisfy their wants. For example, hot drinks and the woolen clothes they will choose. In hot countries the wants of the people will differ. They will choose the that is cool drinks, ice creams and cotton cloths. In this way, depending upon the place also wants of the people differs, and time to time also differ. Okay, morning generally we will choose the breakfast and tea. Okay, afternoon lunch, chapati and rice, like that. Based upon the time also our wants will differ. Okay, and night we eat the light food items, like that children. And next one, person to person. As to a smoker, cigarette is means will satisfy his want. It will give more utility to him. To the non-smoker, he won't like it, so he do not want to consume it. Like that, wants differ from person to person also. Some goods are used by some people, and they are means some people do not interested to use the some type of goods which are harmful to the that is health or society. Like the children, wants differ from that is vary with the time and place to place and person to person also. And the intensity, that is the deep desire to satisfy the want also, it is called intensity, also differs. So based on the intensity of the wants, they are classified into necessaries, comforts and luxuries. So necessaries are essential to all the human beings. Either a person is rich or poor, whatever it may be, they are in need of the necessaries, that is essentials, food, clothing and shelter. So based on their economic status, remaining comforts and luxuries are demanded by the people. Without having comforts and luxuries also we are able to live, but we can't live without having the necessaries. Okay, necessaries are very essential for our survival. Okay children, if you like this video, do like, subscribe and share it, and press on the bell icon. Whenever I upload a video, you will get the notification immediately. Thank you children.